Hello and welcome to the St. Regis Hotel. I'm gonna show you my room. Room 504. Let's come in and check this out. Well, I have just checked into my room and I am pretty excited to explore. One of the first things I notice, do you see these Bose speaker systems all around? Wow, that's pretty interesting. Where to begin? Hello, my name is Nick Gray. I'm checking into the St. Regis, and I'm going to give you a tour of my room. I'm going to show you around this hotel. I'm going to show you the gym, the pool, the lobby, all the fun stuff and the secrets that I've learned on my second trip here, and I'll be staying for 2 nights. So let's look at the room first. One thing that I always start my room tours with is to see the bedside controls. By the way, this room, I have 2 of the queen or double beds, 2 double beds because the kings were totally sold out. Now this is interesting. Right next to the bed, they have this little thing, and I love seeing these. When I can close to get the automated curtains to close just like this, I like this. This is one of my favorite things. I like when they have this in a hotel. One thing I don't notice though is some easily accessible USB ports or power plugs. So I'll be curious to see how that will go. Well, we have a telephone and that's about it. Where are the power plugs? This is going to be interesting. I'm guessing that, well, it's a nice sofa. That's a very nice sofa. I'm guessing we're going to find the power plugs located over here in the desk area. I love to see a nice desk area at a hotel. I'm guessing, what is this? No, this is just additional speaker things. What is this box? I can't take it out. Maybe it's Wi-Fi. I'm guessing that's maybe a DVD player down below. The television is an older style LCD screen. Wow, yet another Bose speaker right up there. Now, as I look over here at the desk, I don't see any plugs visible, but usually they're tucked right under here. Are they? Yes, they are. Multiple power adapters, which I love to see that, and some video plugins, although it is old style. So, one thing we're noticing, this is a little bit of an older hotel room. I'm okay with that because the luxury is nice at a St. Regis, but it is older, so we'll just know it's an older hotel. Is that a real plant? That is a real plant. Very cool. Moving over, let's check out what's in some of these closets. Okay, this is the laundry area. There's your safe. These are just normal drawers. Wow, very nice wood. Well, that's nice. That's nice. I don't mind that at all. Here's the mini bar. People love to see the mini bars on my tours. By the way, I think I've done like 5 St. Regis hotels around the world. Check them out. I was just in Bangkok. I did Mexico City. I got a lot of them. Here is the mini bar section and the coffee tea area. I personally am a tea drinker myself, so I like to see what teas, chamomile, ooh, some Japanese sencha. I don't mind that. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 coffee pods, as well as some complimentary waters. This is the snacks, a bit of a light selection. I just stayed at the Four Seasons in Bangkok, and you guys can't see in here. Here's what's inside this mini bar. Okay, that's nice. And I'm imagining this is very funny. Okay, fine, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna continue. Here's some glasses over here. Let me show you the bathroom and we'll see how the bathroom looks. Now, the bathroom is very nice. I would be very happy to wake up and enjoy a big bath like this every day. By the way, don't forget that you can ask your butler when you're staying here to draw a bath for you. That is acceptable. That's a great use of having a butler. What else can we see? Let's see over here the amenity kit and what is set up. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see specifics on that amenity kit. 2 sinks, bathroom, pretty straightforward. All right, there's the bathroom. Let me show you the shower. I noticed the shower before when I did my pre-tour. We got one of these overhead things. You got a hand shower, and then nice bathroom products. Here are the bathroom products. All right, I don't mind this. I think it would have been... I'm just noticing that things are a little bit off. It's like, it's just fine. It's nice. I'm excited to explore this hotel. Welcome. Now I've shown you the room. I think the next time I might pick up with you is going to be tomorrow morning, and I will show you the breakfast. I'm also going to show you the gym. I'm going to show you the swimming pool. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to really give you a real look at this hotel and what I think of it. It's August 2023. Let's go explore. I realized I forgot to show you the closets, which are here. So I'm going to show you what's inside of them. Sometimes people want to know what's in the closets. I think this is a button that will turn on the lights. It is. No hangers inside there, which is interesting. I see an extra pillow that's up top. And then in this closet, there we have the famous St. Regis. Really nice. I like that bathrobe. And then plenty of hangers up here, as well as an extra box up top. These are the closets. Let me zoom out. I'm going in super depth because sometimes people really love to see this. Would you do me a favor, by the way? If you are enjoying this video, will you just give me a like or leave a comment and say hello? I make these videos for fun, for free. They're not sponsored or anything. But I'm so passionate about hotels. I just love touring these places. All right, I'll talk to you later. Into the fitness center. Let's come in and take a little bit of a tour, and I'll show you what gym equipment. Nice to see a rowing machine. I can see 2 treadmills, 2 ellipticals, a recumbent bike, a couple weight equipments, not a lot of weight equipments, not a lot of free weights. Honestly, it's kind of a sparse gym. I'm still happy to be at this hotel, but I'm just telling you, it's a bit of a sparse gym. There is an incline bench, a decline bench, a really nice machine setup over here. I see a chest press machine, a shoulder press machine, leg curl, more weight equipment. Not a lot of equipment though, but it has the basics for you to get whatever type of workout you want to get into. Again, the gym is a bit dated. The pool is right outside, but it's closed. The pool is only open from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. The gym, however, is 24 hours, so that's really nice. One little tip, if you're looking for a newspaper and maybe they're out at the front, there's a secret stash that they keep here at the gym. So oftentimes there'll be extra newspapers. Here you can see the Straits Times, the New York Times, and Financial Times, as well as some magazines. That's a pretty cool perk. One small plug that I do get to give, however, is for this book. This book is called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. I wrote this book, and it took me 6 years of my life, and I spent over $50,000 writing it. And I just want to tell you that if you want to know how to host an event, a networking event, or a party, maybe you have a big birthday coming up, or you have a kid's birthday, even just a neighborhood gathering, this is a step-by-step handbook that will show you something that nobody else has ever written about before. And just look up the reviews on Amazon because people love this book. I have over 400 reviews. I'm really proud of it. It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. I also recorded the audiobook. That's me on the back. Check the book out. I promise you, this book can change your life to host a well-run event. If you like nice hotels, then you know about the detail that goes into a guest experience. Well, that little detail of a guest experience I've thought about so much as we welcome people into our homes. All right, back to my hotel tour here at the St. Regis in Singapore. Hello, St. Regis, Singapore. Let's go inside the lobby. Now it's very late tonight. It is, Friday night probably? Oh, by the way, that's Astor Bar. You need to know this if you're Titanium, Platinum, or Marriott, Bonvoy. Platinum or Titanium. This Astor Bar, we can't go in there now, but you can get free drinks. You can get 2 free drinks a day inside the Astor Bar. That's part of your Platinum and Titanium perks. Well, welcome to the St. Regis Singapore. My name is Nick Gray. I'm going to be your tour guide today. I've been staying at this hotel for 2 nights as I tour around the world visiting some of the best hotels. And I'm going to show you my room, I'll show you the gym, I'm going to show you the pool, I'll show you the breakfast buffet, and some other little secret tips and tricks that I found as I explore hotels. Let's start with the walkthrough, and I'm going to show you the lobby. As soon as you walk in here, you're going to notice this famous St. Regis smell. And I'm going to come and check in right over here at these fantastic check-in desks. Look at the art that's on the the wall behind there. Very nice. Now, something else that is interesting is the nice lobby. I'll take you over here to the lobby and I'll show you the lobby. But I want to walk you back into this room because I don't know if I said yet, it's very late. It's like 1 a.m. I just got back from touring the fish market. Something else you need to know, once a month on Friday nights, for only $20, you can get a behind the scenes tour of the fish market, which I just did, and then you participate in this fish auction. Okay, but look at this view right now, look at this. So this is where the breakfast buffet is, and this is what they talk about with Singapore and the old world charm at some of these beautiful hotels like the St. Regis. The breakfast buffet will be in here, and fingers crossed, God willing, I'm gonna give you a tour of this tomorrow morning if I can wake up in time. The pro tip is you really gotta get, especially on the weekend, you know this, if you go to these hotels, you need to get to the buffet before 8:30. I came down at 8:15, thankfully. By 8:45, there was a long line out here. Now that's just a function of it being on the weekend. You're here for the hotel tour though, so I'm gonna show you that. Here is the lobby. Look at the fresh flowers. Really nice. The staff are like, what is this crazy guy doing? I actually told them, I was like, I'm a guest here, I promise. Okay, this concludes the hotel lobby tour. Good morning. This is a quick look at the breakfast. I'm gonna show you the bread and the fruit here first. Now, I think previously I had said, or I'll say later, that by 8:30 it was swamped. Well, it's 9:15 on a Saturday morning right now, and there's no line. It's filling up, but there's no line. So maybe it was just that it was busy on a Friday. I like the selection here. There's nice fruit. Now, they were so nice and they helped me out with, oh wow, look at this, I like that. What is this fruit called? Please let me know if you know in the comments. What's the name of that one? Wow, this is the pancake station. What I made was these noodles. See the noodles that she's making over here? She was so nice and helpful and friendly. And so I made a bunch of those. I'll take you around here to the back. Let me just note, I'm not gonna go all the way over there, but over there, they have some Chinese dim sum. And then over here, oh my gosh, my microphone cable got caught. And then back there, they have Indian food. So Chinese dim sum in the back and Indian food on the other side, as well as hot breakfast. And then at the plates, because you're not gonna notice scrambled eggs, but at the plates, they served me an omelet, scrambled eggs, all that. But that's at your seating itself. So you need to get that sorted once you sit down, and they'll bring it to you there. Great. Here's the salad options. Here's some cereal, and then also some fresh juice. This is a great breakfast. I'm very happy with this breakfast. And you can see it's packed. There's not a single seat available, but there really isn't a line. I think the line is gonna start to line up right now. So, no problem. Good breakfast. I give it 2 thumbs up. I'm here at the pool now, and I'm gonna walk around and show you. I may have said earlier that the second pool right outside of the breakfast buffet was available to residents. That's not available to hotel guests. It's only for the St. Regis residences. So this pool, which I'm gonna show you, is what the hotel guests can enjoy. Outside to the pool, and here we go. Here is your lap pool. It is very large. It looks like, I would guess it is 35 meters. That there's oddly a soda in the water. Nice sculpture that is here. Maybe this is 30 meters. What do you guys think the length of this is? But if you want to swim in this pool and do laps, you can do that. And if you want to just relax out here in the chairs, then you can do that as well. I'm looking around for a hot tub. I don't see anything, but I do see some additional seating down this way, that if you wanted to sit outdoors, you could. Now that is not a swimming pool, that's just out here. Do I see anything else interesting? It looks like you can sit all along this wall area here, and there are little jets that come out. Let me go look over and see whether this is a hot tub over in this area. Doesn't look like it. This is a little waiting area where you can wade into or put your chair here inside the water, but it is not very deep.
this is only 0.1 meters deep. Where you get in the pool's right here, and this part is 1.2 meters deep. But pretty long pool. I mean, you can see it's pretty good if you were gonna be swimming laps. Let me show you this Astor Bar, because if you are platinum or titanium, this is where you can get your free drinks. And this is a nice little lounge area that you can see to hang out. Now, the first night I came here, it was reserved for a private event. But then the second night I came in, and by the way, I sat right over there, and they gave me, hello, and they gave me Diet Cokes, which I liked. Actually, not Diet Coke, I think it was Diet Pepsi. But this is Astor Bar. It's right opposite the main lobby. So you can see the front door here, and you can come in right there. Hello, I'm checking out of my hotel now, so I'm gonna start to wrap up this video, and I wanna tell you some of my final thoughts about the St. Regis. The St. Regis in Singapore was at one time a very nice hotel, and I hate to say this. I love the St. Regis brand. I was just at the St. Regis in Bangkok. I've spent time at the St. Regis in Mexico City, the one in Puerto Rico. I've been to many St. Regises around the world. I would say this one is probably the worst. Now, it's not a bad hotel, but know that it's just dated and it needs some work. Certain things like the phone taking forever for the butlers to come, or the buttons next to the bed for the light switches not exactly working perfectly, or the key card in the elevator, or the pool being a little bit not well attended. Compared to other St. Regises, it's not as good. One correction, I said that I didn't find USB ports. There actually are some USB ports underneath hidden this side of the bed at the very, very bottom there. Overall, I would come back because the redemption rate and in the Bonvoy points, hotels are very expensive here in Singapore, so I definitely would come back. The breakfast buffet was good. I liked the location. It's a nice hotel, but it's not the top tier of what I've expected in the past from St. Regis. Hey, if you like my video, will you please leave me a comment or say hello? I make these videos for fun, for free, not sponsored. I pay my own way for all these, and it just means a lot to me to meet some other people who are traveling. Say hello, let me know when you're going to Singapore or what you're researching about, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.